Hello and welcome to tutorial 204. I was asked by a GoldPass member how you'd go about programming a situation where you wanted something to happen, and then within a certain number of bars something else had to happen, and then within a certain number of bars something else had to happen, and then you could plot or you could enter a trade, etc. So that's what we're doing in this example. And the first thing we're going to look at is a show me study. And what that show me study is doing, it's looking for a cross of the moving average, and then within so many bars it's looking for a doji. And in fact you can see there's a doji immediately afterwards, and then one after that, and then within a certain number of bars it's looking for a bearish harami, and you'll see we've got one of those here, and that is indicated by the red dot. So if we just look at the what's going on with the program, I'm just going to go to the program. And in fact, we've got two programs here. We've got the show me study, and we've also got a strategy. So let's just look at the show me study. Very, very basic, simple stuff using standard moving average functions and standard doji functions. But the guts of the program are that we have some counters. We have two counters, and these counters are incremented by one every bar. Come what may, they're incremented. But what happens, what I've done in this program is said, if we get a fast average cross over a slow average, then we reset counter 1 to 0. We also plot the green dot. Then if a doji occurs, and what the counter has to be less than or equal to 5, then if a doji occurs, which we're using the standard function here, then we reset counter 2. We also do a dot. So it's a green dot for the cross the moving average, cyan dot for the doji. And then we're looking for our bearish harami. So we're now looking at counter 2. Counter 2, of course, is incrementing every bar. And we simply say if counter 2 is less than 25 and it's a bullish harami, then plot draw a plot with red color. And that is as simple as the program is. So any other bullish harami is not going to appear on the chart. So that is the first part of the program. What I also did is said, okay, well, if you get the moving average cross the doji and the bearish harami, then we want to get into a trade the next bar. So what I've done is created a very simple strategy version of the program, which is exactly the same, apart from obviously we're not drawing the dots anymore, but what we do is we say if counter 2 is less than 25 and it's bullish harami, then we buy a contract next bar at market. So there's no particular reason I've used moving average cross doji and bullish harami. It's just really to demonstrate this technique, which can be quite useful in a number of circumstances. In the strategy, what I've also done is set the profit target and set the stop loss that enables us to get into some trades and then get out of them. So if I just go to the studies, to the edit strategies, and turn on the strategy, set the status to on, then you'll see that we don't get the dots there done by the show me study, but you'll see that we get after the bearish harami red dot, we then get into a trade, and that's stopped out a few bars later. So that is the technique. Hope it might be useful for you. Incidentally, what I've done is included these very simple programs just for you to copy and paste into your own easy language editor, and of course you use these programs at your own risk as always. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you find this stuff useful, then please subscribe to markplex.com and also join the YouTube channel.